is Professor M. Ilunga. The topic for the day is hydraulic flood modeling of Phongolo River Reach 1. Phongolo River, located in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa,